Hey everyone! I want to make sure that even if you are not here today, you are fully equipped to make your own website. So these are going to be these instructions to make sure that you are able to get this done. If you would prefer to sort of see these right now, I'm also attaching the PowerPoint slides that take you through step by step. So once you've clicked on this link, you can see the editable version of my demo page. Once you are here, you are going to come click on these three dots that say more. Click here. Your next step will just say duplicate site. That's how you're going to make your own copy. You're going to go ahead and click here. Then instead of naming it copy of demo speculative research project, you're going to take out this part and you're going to write your name. Then, this is super important. Do not forget, right? Share with the same editors. This is how I am going to be able to see it. If I cannot see it, then all the work that you are doing on it, I can't give you feedback. You can't even turn it in and get credit for it. So, share with the same editors so I am able to access it. Excuse me. Then, click duplicate. It's going to take a second. It's going to say copying site. It'll take its sweet time just like this is. There we go. Now that it's done this, you are going to go check your Renton Gmail page. All right, here we are over on my email page here where I shared this to. So what I am then going to do is I am going to come all the way up here and I'm going to click open. Now, here I have my very own version of this website.